In this video, I will show you how you can set these presentations that when you will play it, you will see that how presentation will work. In this way, you will get the presentations. You will create these presentations step by step. I will teach you how you can make these such a presentations and these slides. So let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint program by clicking Window R button and type here power print and press enter. Select your blank presentation, click on the layout and select blank. Click on the insert menu and select the shape. Click on the shape and click on the rectangle. Draw a rectangle here. Duplicate it by pressing the Ctrl D button and reduce its size. Set its size here, put here, and go to the format menu. In the shape fill, go to the gradient and more gradient. Here fill the gradient color and select the color as per your requirement. Type select it radial and make the color in the 3 steps. So you have this, select them all and outline, no outline. Again select them all, adjust them and hold down the control button and drag to down with the help of the right button. So you will find its duplicates. I'm doing this same, pressing the control button and dragging the rectangles with the help of my mouse button, left mouse button. So here we have done it. Now type your text here, what you want to type here in this box. As I'm pressing the insert button and go to the word art and select this. So I'm just typing here alphabets. This is the alphabets I'm typing here. So I'm typing A, the first slide A here, and now hold down the control button and drag to the second slide, the duplicate of the A, and just change into B. Same, do it again with all the slides and adjust its alignments. So I'm doing this and complete fill it. You can type your own text as per your requirement. These slides I have created. I'm going to select this slide, all of these objects, and Ctrl G to group it. Save this one and save this one and save this one. Now I'm pressing this, selecting this, control this one with the help of button, control this one, control this one, control this one, and control this one. Now I'm going to format, rotate, and flip them in this way. Select them all, add animation, and select the fly in. Set the duration time to 2 seconds, enter. Now press the F5 button and click the mouse button to play your presentation.